the Obama camp. This isn't the campiest endorsement. How about actress Scarlett Johansson joking she's engaged to Obama when asked about her real boyfriend? Or a fashion designer like Kimora Lee Simmons, better known for how she dresses, and for addressing political issues, endorsing Hillary Clinton. There's Kevin Bacon trying to bring home the bacon for John Edwards. Talk about footloose. Performer John Mayer seemed loose all over, arguing with actor Justin Long about Mayer's favorite candidate, Ron Paul.
Ron Paul. I'm talking about Ron Paul. I'm the Legion. Not RuPaul. Ron Paul.
RuPaul's only platform is the kind you wear on your feet. Of course, there was Oprah's endorsement of Obama and his payback campaign promise delivered on Letterman.
3 words. Vice President Oprah.
Yeah. Of course, the campiest endorsements of them all pitted Rambo against Chuck Norris. Chuck is for Huck, but when Norris suggested McCain is so old he could die in office.
I'm just afraid that the vice president will wind up taking over.
McCain called in reinforcements.
Now that Sylvester Stallone has endorsed me, I'm sending over to take care of Chuck Norris right away.
Sort of the opposite of Rambo's is Toni Morrison's endorsement. The African-American writer who first called Bill Clinton America's first black president has now endorsed the guy who really would be the first black president if he won. There are those who proudly opt for the anti-endorsement. Rudy put out this web ad.
Rudy Giuliani is not endorsed by the Tampa Tribune. He's not endorsed by any of the liberal newspapers.
And then there's the endorsement from beyond the grave. You know how the Republicans are always invoking Ronald Reagan? Well, guess who the Kennedy clan endlessly invoked?
President Kennedy.
President Kennedy.
And John Kennedy.
In the days of John and Robert Kennedy.
When my father was president.
As we had with my uncle.
Portraits of John and Robert.
Cross-dressing is one thing, but if all this cross-endorsing keeps up, cartoonist Jeff Danziger may turn out to be prophetic with his Monica endorses Obama. Gee,